And this is just an amazing and incredible recipe this morning, which we're going to be showing you how to make it. So stay tuned in, and that's the book. You can also get yourself a copy of my book. All right, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We always give you guys the best recipes as much as we can. A good vibes. All right, guys, so I'm back in the kitchen this morning with another recipe. We're talking about beetroot juice. So beetroot juice is very important, and especially if you're a 50 or a 60, I would recommend beetroot for you to drink to help to lower blood pressure at home. All right, so let's jump straight into this. We got some more ingredients we're gonna have to eat, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make this an amazing, incredible beetroot juice this morning. You can do this at home. It's very simple, it's very easy, it doesn't complicated to make, and I know you guys can make this one. One heap of love and respect. Thank you so much for taking out the time and to support me. Amazing. Let's do this. We can do this together. Excellent. So this morning, we're going to be naming out the beetroot, red apple, lemon, ginger, carrot. Put all of these into your blender with water and drink the liquid. Very powerful, very effective, and also very good for high blood pressure. It can help to lower your blood pressure, especially the beetroot juice is very good. You don't have to add anything else. You can just drink beetroot juice 2 to 3 times a week to help to lower your blood pressure. Very good for boosting your immune system. Winter is coming. You need ginger and lemon. So all of these things will benefit you guys. So let's do this, man. And this is just an amazing and incredible recipe this morning, which we're going to be showing you how to make it. So stay tuned in, and that's the book. You can also get yourself a copy of my book. All right, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We always give you guys the best recipes as much as we can. A good vibes. Recipe, something incredible that you guys can also make at home. It's one of my favorite recipe. I'm always making this one because beetroot is very known for helping lowering blood pressure. All right, so what I'm going to be doing, we're going to be talking about beetroot, ginger, carrot, lemon, and red apple. Put all of this into a blender with water. All right, and we're going to show you how to make this incredible juice this morning. Let's get the blender. All right. It's a simple recipe. It doesn't complicate it. And I know you guys definitely can make this at home. All right. If you're over 50, 60, 65 going up, I recommend it. Drinking beetroot juice can also help you to lower your blood pressure and to boost your immune system and to strengthen your immune system. And yeah, we're looking forward into this incredible recipe this morning. Let's put all of my ingredients right over here, and we're gonna go through them one by one. Okay, so we're gonna do them step by step. So the first thing what we're going to do is this. Okay, beetroot, that's the first thing we're gonna put inside of it. All right, so this is the beetroot. All right, lovely. Ginger, we're gonna put some ginger inside of it. Fresh ginger. Fresh lemon. All right, you can't go wrong with lemon, guys. Lemon is a must. You have to use up your lemon in a lot of things as much as you can. Okay, yeah, man, and good vibes. So now, one of the main thing I like my red apple, because red apple is very, very good. So we're gonna put some red apple inside of it. So squeeze it on a little bit. That's gonna be able to hold inside everything inside of it. All right. Also, we're gonna put some carrot inside of it. Carrot is a must. You know, I love carrot. All right, guys. Good vibes. Yes. Drinking up the carrot can make our life again change. You don't know the thing go. Then we're gonna add some water. We're not gonna add too much water, roughly about a cup of water inside of it. Okay? A good vibes. Now, you know, the rest of the ingredients, it's like a lot of water in the rest of the ingredients. So we're just gonna be using that amount of water. Excellent. Then what we're gonna do next, we're gonna put on the lid. Okay? Yeah, let's put on this. All right. Beautiful one. Then that's the way it looks. So we're gonna make some nice in the kitchen, and we're going to blend up this incredible juice this morning. Now, my advice to any one of you guys, because when you try a different kind of recipe, it definitely helpful. All right, yeah, man. So nice. So we're gonna blend up all of these ingredients now, and yeah, it's a good vibe. So let's go for it. So before we go for it, let's talk about the book, From Poverty to Purpose. It's available on Amazon. Get yourself a copy of my brand new book, guys, and support the progress. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a little bit of a noise. All right. It's so long, but it's all right. You know, it's look like a soup. Look at this. It's still a drain. Don't worry yourself. All right, so this is like very good to make soup. So that's how it look, guys. Yeah, it's all right. It will drain, but that will be amazing to make some beetroot soup. I don't know if you guys drink beetroot soup. A long time I don't drink some, you know. I think I need to make some beetroot soup. All right, yeah, good vibes. Yeah, man. But as you guys can see, that do the same thing at home with these natural ingredients. So what we are doing now, we're just draining it at the moment. Very powerful and very effective. Drinking up some beetroot juice in the morning can make a big, massive difference. So all you have to do is this. Use a spoon, because I blend it really fine. Yeah. So it's really rich when you blend it like this. All right. So what you can do, just add a little tiny more water to it. You don't have to add too much. Just a tiny bit of water, you know. All right, we're not gonna stretch it too much, but that's how the richness of it will look like. So I'm gonna be draining more from it because I know I can get some more from it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to rest it in my little container right here and allow it for it to go and drain. In the meantime, because we'll just be here holding up the show for the whole morning. All right, we're not gonna do that. Okay, guys? So what we're gonna do,
sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's get gather round the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art.